Yo.
Hajya Nyambo amazina yo mu cyaro bamwita nde?
Niyo nkuru Aime.
Akwita Fani ukamwita gute? Inzi ko Nyambo niwo muntu wa mbere wambwiye ko bakwita Fani. We bakwita nde? We bamwita nde?
Yitwa Aime.
Aime nawe ni kumwita sibyo? Wowe umwita nde ujye guhamagara Nyambo?
Mwita Aime.
Nari muturanye.
Mwita Aime man.
Ni gutya barabanaga mani like ku cyaro. Like nuza mama wa Aime iyo yaburaga inkwi yagendaga kwa mama wa Fani.
Oya kwa Gramere. Icyaro cyanyu bakita gute? Nyabitare bebe. Nyabitare shuga Nyarubuye abantu
bafani umbwira kugira ngo ngere Nyabitare mvuye pani Kigali mvuye ikayonza
uvi Kayonza nabwo ni kure mani dutuye iyo biva bro
mvuye ikayonza nagenda nkaca igahini
uvuye ikayonza sora cigahini ugiye kuko uwo nguri uca Kabarondo ukagenda ugatugera Nyakarambi.
Kabarondo ni ushobora guca ushobora kugera Kabarondo udashigahini
Kabarondo
Kayonza Kabarondo
wowe iyo uri kugegahini uri kugeza mu Mutaramana.
Mwebwe ntabwo ari the other side.
The other side utajya mu Mutara. Nk'ubu umeze nk'umanuka umanukira mu kindi gice.
Ugenda nka style za ntuza za bayita gute? Ikibungo.
Ugeza Rusumo.
It's on the right hand side, not the left hand side.
Yes, you're right.
None ibyo bice se nabyo biteye nko mu Mutarara?
Oya hari aho habaye imisozi Mutara urarambitse. Ariko hari aho habaye imisozi niyo mpamvu ari ahantu bita Nyarubuye. Noneho natwe iwacu hakitwa Nyabitare nyine aboro aho haba ibintu by'ibibuye by'ibitare by'imisozi.
Okay, ntago muri the other side y'Umutara nyawo.
Twebwe ni za Kayonza ubwo niyo uvuye Kayonza ucikibungo
wowe uzi kubitandukanya kubera Umutara urawuzi.
Ntara ndahazi. Ubwo iyo uvuye hariya ugera Ikibungo ukagera Kabarondo ukamanuka ugafata nyine hano inzira zijya za Rusumo zijya Tanzania nyine to.
Ni Osimarito cyane iki ni ikigodi ariko ino ni Osimarito nawe ni ikigodi.
Ni ikigodi gikuru nyiri yo kaunti ya Osimarito.
Osimarito nawe nta kigenda.
Ni mu karere ka Kirehe yasohoka.
So ariko habaye iwanyu hajyaga abayinka.
Of course zirahaba man na n'ubu zirahara ariko
bararagira.
Twaragiye ihene nge na Aime za Nyakizi yo hepfo.
Umva shiri mu Mutara ntabwo turagira inka like iwanyu baragira ntabwo turagira ihene story
mu Mutara aho barashumura ntabwo
baragira ihene like wowe mwego mwaragiraga ihene.
Twaragiraga ihene n'inyana abana twaragiraga abantu bakuru nibo baragiraga inka nyine
iwanyu baragira ihene aho kuragira inka
byose. None se nka wasiga uziziritse ngo uragira ihene?
Nakwera mu Mutara ntabwo z'abantu baragira ihene.
Mu Mutara ntabwo haba ihene man ariko hariya aho zirahaba n'inka zose.
Iwanyu rero muragira ihene kurusha inka.
Ibyo ni ibyo kabyumva ndahita mva kuri live ngo ndakubwira ngo
munywa n'amashusho
abana shu
munywa amashusho
kayanywe nawe amashusho barayanywa ihenewe
amashusho barayanywa
nabyo narinzi hehe
kandi wararagiye ihene nyine uzi ibintu byose byerekeye ihene
ntabwo nzi pe ntabwo ihene ikamwa kabisa
amashuri bayamwana bwabyaye
ese bwacye ko ntayo nzi ko twakuze tunywa amata ntabwo abantu
rero amashuri barayanywa
barwaraga bwacye babaga ari abantu baza guhinga mu rugo
nagumaga nibaza impamvu utagira ikibuno kumbe amata
yanywaga amashunushunu
yanywaga amashuri
emeka gifite
cyahe
afite ikibuno sheri nta nubwo uzabaze n'abakuru be nyine bo muri famiye uri kumva bafite ibibuno uzare n'uriya mwana wajyaga mu makiripe w'umunyamutara wagiye muri sikosa ya igori uramupitiza ikibuno afite so mu mutara kandi na keribo n'uwiriya mu mutara mu bishanga
wanyweye amashunushunu
nayo nanyweye ndakuyamye nawe
wa mukobwa witwa nuza n'uwiwanyu
uzabaze keribo ngo iwabo ni mu mutara iyo za kiboga iyo mu byaro
oya ntabwo ari wemene vixen reka nongere nyari ndaje nyari umva ndaje nje kunyara sibyo ndagaruka
niya nikeni n'amahenesi
nshaka kunyara nanjye ariko nta
uragenda unyane turagarukana tugenda nawe ugiye kunyara
banza ugende tutasiga uyu mukonyine wenyine umukonyine wo mu gasyaro
umukonyine ngende umwana w'i Kigali bro ndikavukire
Kigali se ntushake
ngende
kavukire
ntabwo nzi ibyo byaro no kuragira
abana bo mu mutarashu mwandike muri comments
weho waba uri umwana wo mu mutara ugakinisha agapupe
wakinisha iki
amata
ariko cyazi twe amata twayakinishaga mwimuka
twe tubona inka tukiruka bagira ibisimba biraturya ese ubundi nk'iraryana inka yakuruma ikakuruka mbashaka network
kandi ndazitinya kandi ntabwo nzitinya byo kuzitinya
nyine inka yakuruma ikagukuraho inyama ukava amaraso
oya ikagupfunda umutwe gusa
ugapfa ariko ntiyakushuna
ntabwo inka yica umuntu mani keretse yenda ari inka mbi cyane ku buryo egurwa nta nka ndumva yishe umuntu ahubwo wenda ishobora nko kugusunika igusunikisha umutwe wenda ukagwa mu myigire inka yica
nyine ikintu nibaza ntago yakuruma nyine ngikurume nk'akaguru cyangwa itako
z'amaraso
origi
ntabwo inka iruma na sho
reka nereka akagabo ka Jojo Siporo nkora
ndanyumvira ngo agaki
akagore sore
nawe mugabo se situbizi
uko nta munota washira
umugabo Jojo yaramushushubikanye turi muzi twari turi guhindonshi Jojo ukuntu yamutahishije n'Imana ibizi
ndanyumvira Flix n'abazanye live utwo nanjye ndashukuru
kanemo akagore ka Jojo
urebe kugaruka
araguye ntabwo araguye
akora 30 njye muri gym nkora 30
izi ngizi
ifite nyasha byumba ariko iriya nyasha afite
muri gym nkora 30
izi ngizi
ifite nyasha byumba ariko iriya nyasha afite
afite n'ibicebe n'amarazi
wajya uvuga neza ikinyarwanda babyita ibicece ntabwo ari ibicebe ibicebe se ni
akagore ka Jojo akagore ka Jojo manyereka ukuntu dukora imibiri
dutatu
mba narimo ndakwereka ibintu ndimo ndakora maniga
we kupure yanyu wa mugani niwe mugani ariko na George
hanyuma wowe muyanyu uri iki
cyane nanjye ni umugabo urebye igikuri dukundana njye mfite umuhungu waguze pe
nawe urabyemera ko agoze njye rero
oya nemera ko ngira sheri areka ntibyarenge kujya twikuraho amahoro ese nagira sheri muri
tubabazi ko njyewe duhorana imihanda se we Felix nawe nzaguha tizi atajya ariko buranye na Dumba
tuzajya Divi
ndaziguha
umutiza n'ahantu duhuriye
imihanda se ntabwo tuyihuriraho
tujya he ko tujya he
sawa umva uyu mugabo amatsiko arahita amamagara
umva nashiringira munyiteretere munyere n'amafaranga
ayo mafaranga
reka nkubwire rero
imodoka sho
Divi
yo
Felix aguma mbeshya ko ngo ninza mu Rwanda umva ibyo aguma mbeshya
dusi nabikubwiye nakwemereye
Felix aguma ambwira ko ninza mu Rwanda ngo azambera umugore
ntago nabe
none kandi mwebwe muba muzi bora kora
Dumba we kugira ikibazo
ako Divi ushaka kuvuga iki
ega Divi reka nkubwire ikintu kimwe Felix arankunda kandi urukundo nyarwo
true love exists
Felix niyo yanki inyuma ariko arankunda urukundo nyarwo
ndabimubwira namuciye ndabimubwira ndamamagara mugati I just cheated on you
wambwiye ryari ntabwo byo bimbwiye
akoze ko turi kwitanze
ntabwo byo bimbwiye urashaka kugira ngo Divine nabivuge Divine vuga
ndabivuga ndabikubwira
akoze Divi twahuye ari wowe na Jojo na Nuza na Benda nabande turi yiwi narindi Divi ntugire
barabonye ukuntu naka video na postinze nari arimo aravuga ngo Dumba aratwica muri isi n'ikinga
yareka Felix akomeza mbwire komeza
hari uwundi muntu wari uhari kuri shaka kuvuga
ubwa kabiri
bwa kabiri ndi kuvuga se wambaye akajipo gasa nk'ari k'igite ka karokaro k'umukari mu ubwa mbere Yesu we sha Divi twe tuvuye Kigali University twasinze bro hari ikintu cyabaye tuvuye kwa
nde wari wagiye mu nzu ako
ntabwo wowe na Nuza kuntu mwari mumeze uzi yuko Shakira ari ubwo udatuma
Felix iri joro baraguta hanze
nane hanze
ndaburetse niho rero akomeza nsebye n'ukuntu ngiye ntanywa n'inzoga
oya na hanze nari ahako ngiye cyambere nuko nta kintu
kubwira ikikubwira umuntu ubu
Felix kumuta hanze nta kibazo ariko kubibwira Dumba
ari kwiregura
ubanza umamagare tubivuganeho bino bintu
inde baza kuguhamagara
tubanza
tubivuganeho cyananjye mvuga ukuntu Jojo yagutahanye mbivuge
oya ibyo ni ibintu biri privacy sinanze kubivugira hano ndabibwira Dumba inbox
n'ubimubwira cyangwa nzakora live mvuga ukuntu Divine sheri wamufata aha narumiwe ku perezida yanyu wajya mugira imbunda mugira mashini ganje mu
ariko bigende byiza ndabikunda
ariko Divine reka nkubwire niba hari umuntu ushira akavuyo muri couple iyo ari i Kigali ni njyewe
mu yanjye nta kuzazana
ngaho da
noneho Jojo niwo akanzanira nkahita menya ukuntu nkajera uzi ko iyo ndi Kigali Jojo ntabwo amara icyumweru atambonye
ahubwo samara iminsi
2 noneho imagine wowe uri umugore we ko muzahora mundi ku ruhande mbateranya ngenda teranya
abandi bonsa yawe
Nose Jojo Jojo niba kiraho niba kaje karaho ngaho nkaguma nguteranya ka Jojo
na ujye nzakumena we dumba nzagukubita inkonje
ngumwite umugabo akantu
noneho Jojo umva reka Jojo ntabwo ari kumupinga cyane Jojo
mbakunda Jojo na masegonda na n'igihe twavugana iminota 5 icewe atamuvuga uzi free dumba nawe aragutembeka
ndabizi
mubwira none se none abaye ari kuyateye imitoma ndivuge
we kandi mbazi bose
abahana amafaranga sha
bana nanshitinga ngasigaye ndi na broke basi wajya uyambuka ugenda wayama
ni queen sibyo
ni queen Jackie
ni queen sibyo
si Jackie se
oya
ako ibaza
kandi nani sinarimbuze no sinarimbuze
ndabizi nibyo washaka kuvuga
kanyo nagari byo arundi
ni queen sibyo
undi
Jackie
na undi
nakwasa Jackie
undi
nakwasa ninde nakwasa oya papa nakwasa Jackie uwe
Jackie you know her. You know what I'm talking about.
Wow, ni Jackie bafunze. Jackie bafunze na amafaranga bwamuhe kabisa. Uzi ko Jackie nubwo twumvikana Jackie nyine kimwe bafunze Jackie Sharon. Jackie na kuva nabaho n'amafaranga bwamuhe.
Uya hambe.
Baya my pen ntabwo nabese.
Nawe naraguhaye divine uyu Felix
nawe amafaranga nari nakoreye akazi kayo.
Dumba na Natasha ntago namukwidasha Natasha arakuze cyane ntabwo ngiye najya kwa Natasha crazy.
Ako se uri kwiga n'iki? I'm here. I know that you should.
Hano kiba kiriye cyazunguje amaso.
Ariko uno mugabo mubona uri kwigira idajya hazagira umuhamagara muri mwe hano mu bahanzi ngo promotion ngo for Aime, he's a businessman. Aime
Dumba naje turavuga
kuvuga ngo ni mwe ngaza
mu bantu nziranye nabo bari seriye Dumba rimwe
seriye byatari
muntu iki
Kidio muya
Chadu nane wagahenese sheri umwaka dore urarangiye nturitse
ya muyai bro I know you big muyai
urareba nde bivi ninde winshi
all the way from Canada
televiziyo Broski nawe bro hano ubwo nanamureba is there any problem?
I like you when you are saying you are trying to speak English. I really like. Can we do this?
When I'm trying. Or when I'm speaking.
Or I don't know when you're trying, baby girl.
No sense.
Oh, you don't
no
try.
Sense.
Oh, you do speak. Oh, you don't try.
When I'm trying. When I'm speaking.
Mwana w'Inyagatare asigaye asicyo nako asigaye agerageza kuvuga kongereza ninde wakamwigira none abari kuvuga umwana wize in health.
No. Oh my God, I'm sorry, girl.
No, buri comment ngo trying niko trying bro ufashe igihe kane uvuze kinya English.
Ngo trying.
You don't try, you just speak English.
Trying.
You don't try.
Yekane twa ugiteranyijeho na English bibyara trying. Wahala.
When I'm crying or when I'm
Nabonye live yawe.
speaking.
Oh, when I'm speaking. Oh
You know, or when I'm speaking. Ariko,
you know, when
Rwagivine,
you're trying.
rwarusobanukiwe.
Jafrix man.
I said, if you
Jafrix
know when you're
turampinga. Nimba ari uko nyirusha nyashi. Humura nawe nyashi Imana izaziguha mani. Ntukandwanye.
no, no, ngumupinga mani ukuri kw'Imana. No, I swear.
Fix
Shut it
turampinga.
down. No, I don't.
Oya,
I just.
Okay, okay,
Umva
reka
Felix.
dukoreshe icyongereza kuri okay, duhindure ururimi.
Thank you. Yes.
Twagiye.
Good.
Ariko duhindure ururimi. Duhindure ururimi. Okay.
Go ahead and say anything. Don't look at me. Do what's funny? Why you laughing, bro? What's
Nasubiza
funny?
umuntu wamwigishije what's funny? British ivanze ubwo nabuze. What's funny?
I thought we were speaking English, no?
Oh, okay.
Yes. Thank
Sorry.
you. I thought that too.
Sorry.
Okay, you say it in English. It's fine. That's you. You say that we can use English right here. In the I'm okay with you.
Yeah.
Say whatever.
English.
Someone is asking too. What are you drinking? I'm drinking Henken. I was drinking Hennessy.
beer.
Was drinking Hennessy.
I don't want to see your Hennessy bottle, please.
You don't want to see my Hennessy? What?
Oh, see it. Why? He's just trying to show his
No,
fun.
they are
Why
going to
don't you-
restrict me, please. This is TikTok guidelines, you know. You know what I'm saying?
So it means that you can't show the friend what
No,
he's drinking?
I can't touch my boobs. You can't show any drink or anything according
Why?
to drugs.
Why? Why is he a
This
crime?
is TikTok guidelines, you know.
Oh.
You know what guidelines means?
No,
Yes, I
can you
know.
explain? No, we don't know. Can you explain to us, please? No.
Excuse me, madam.
Can you explain that to us? We don't know. What are you talking about? What's that?
In your village, you have these things. You don't know these things. These things is for rich kids only.
Okay.
We don't think a machinician. You know a machinician? You know a machinician? We used to play with these things and puppies, you know. We don't need a machinician.
Oh, come back. We need to talk. We are having some conversations.
In their village, they don't have those things.
No.
We don't have those things.
No,
Yes.
you only have goats, cows, and a machine. You know,
But you are right. You are right. We don't use
They only have those cows and a mashunushun, right?
yeah, you know what I'm saying.
wow.
Yeah. From
You come
What
from
should I do right now?
no, from Kirehe.
What should I do now?
How you call it? How you call it?
Kirehe.
Kirehe.
Yeah.
Then Divine, we played. Then Divine, we are going to use English, but we didn't say that we are going to fight. Why
No,
are you
I'm
arguing
not
with me?
fighting.
I'm not
I'm
arguing
trying
with
to.
you.
I know. I'm trying to tell you what people said in the comments. They are complaining
They
that you
said
are
what?
chewing gum while talking.
They said that like maybe 10 minutes ago. Then you're trying to say
Yeah,
it
yeah.
right now.
I
Why?
wanted to discuss it in English. That's it.
Oh, so you want me to answer you?
No. The
Can I
answer
answer
is
you?
you have to throw the gum
So you
so we
answer
can
for me or
continue.
I answer for myself?
No, answer the people's, not me.
Okay, I said let me answer. You said the answer is that I have to throw it, but I said that I don't want to
Oh,
give away
it's still
anything. I want to
sweet.
keep it to myself. I
It's
want to
sweet.
chew it.
It is
Yes,
sweet.
it's sweet.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. Zumba, they said that you should put on your t-shirt. No.
He know how to
What he
read, darling.
does
You know
is
how
change.
to read. You know
He's
how to read. Let's read to
no, I
back
have to help
at
him.
this
Oh,
shit.
He's the only gentleman
No,
here.
he knows how to read.
cool Mark. I don't know what
No,
cool
he
Mark
knows
is
how to
talking
read.
about.
Let him
Cool
read.
Mark. I think it's called cool Mark. Cool Mark. Listen, I have confidence in my body. So
Yeah.
please,
Thank you,
chill,
darling.
chill,
Thank you. He's flexing. He
chill.
can show his body. Oh.
Yo, cool
He's
Mark.
okay.
I think cool Mark comes from Kirehe.
Kirehe, yeah, that's it.
I think they comes from
No,
Kirehe.
Yeah.
all the way from Nyagatale. All the way from Nyagatale. Why Chile? Chile is
Cool Mark,
it's something else,
you come
but
from
all the
Kirehe.
way. Oh my God. And I'm proud of it. I'm proud of
No,
it.
you have to say
No.
OMG. OMG.
What?
It's cool
OMG?
Mark.
What's OMG?
OMG.
Oh my
What is
God.
it about? It's not about
Yeah,
confidence, cool Mark. What is it about?
MG.
Do I know the person who called
Welcome.
Yvette Cameron? I think I know, maybe. I don't know. Maybe from where? My
Welcome
childhood?
to Divine
I don't know. Maybe I know.
Akamori. I think is that cow's oil. Yes? Akamri. Akamri. Huh? It's
Camry.
cow's oil. Yeah,
How's
Akamri is
oil?
cow's oil. Yeah.
What's going on here?
Yes.
What are you
Ichimuri.
talking about?
Ichimuri, you know. Akamri.
Speaks English use. Oh, her nickname is Fifi. Who's Fifi?
Oh, she's my big sister. I know her, yeah. She was, oh, I know her. She's my big sister, yeah.
You people,
I know her.
they are trying to ask
Yeah.
me to copy my accent.
Why? We have to be us.
No.
I'm using my own accent. Why do I have to copy Dumba? Why? Eh?
Huh?
Why do I have to copy G?
This life for me. I'm enjoying this conversation. I'm just happy to be here.
Guys, I'm single and searching. We are sorry. We are speaking English
We
here.
are sorry. What do we have to do about that? What do we have to do about that? We all single.
We are all.
The man
We
is
are all-
enriching. Yeah, it's okay. Then
No, she's not
English
English.
let it be.
She said she's from Kigali. She's just a kid city. She knows what she's saying. Let
Yeah.
her speak.
Yeah. Let me be.
Let her be, yeah. Let her be.
The both
We
Foods and
speak
Divini
English
speak
like
English in
Rwanda.
Rwanda.
Okay, but you
Hey.
get us. As long
If
as you
this
get us.
person can come to discuss about our daily job, you know, in our daily job, we used to meet with English peoples. Is this person come to discuss with them?
Yes, at least you understand.
This guy, He's saying in English like in Rwanda, it's okay, but I hope that you are getting our points. Yeah, you are getting our points. And that's
Okay, okay, guys. Let's skip to French.
okay. No. Bonjour.
Okay.
Comment ça va?
Ok. Frigi, tu parles français?
Oui. C'est moi. Oui.
Quoi, tu dis quoi?
If you know French, Dumba. I always had when you're ordering something.
Écoute, mon
You
ami.
don't know French?
Écoute, mon amour.
Yeah.
Écoute, pas français.
Non. C'est non.
Oh, Dumba, je suis malade.
Tu es malade?
Yeah.
Tu es malade?
La tête.
Divine, what is a booklet? What is a booklet? Divine, what is a booklet? Divine, can you answer me, please?
So the booklet is that book we used to answer our questions in our examinations.
Thank you. Now you know.
Okay. I don't know. I used to know.
No, you.
Dumba, why are you laughing?
I'm done. Moi, je suis malade de la tête.
Yeah, it means I'm headache.
You headache?
Yeah, I'm headache. Just the problem there at
You headache.
Dumba wakwempiga show.
Cooking with Kaya.
Dumba, unmute your micro. You muted your...
I mute your micro.
No. Dumba muted his micro.
Dumba, unmute your micro.
Urashaka mvuga se ngo unmute your micro. Okay. Je suis malade, that's it.
Tu es malade?
Tu es malade la tête?
Oui, je t'en prie.
Je t'en prie, non.
Oh, nabiri urankomye.
Yeah.
Umva man, yo muramvugije mpita nsonza man.
Me.
Guys,
Wagarutse mu Kinyarwanda.
it's not easy. Yes, it's very true. Like a lot of Rwandese cannot speak French. A few can though. But like my girl Divine and Frigidi 60%.
Yeah, we are good at it.
60-40.
We are good
Go
at work.
cook. What can I cook? I don't even have what to, I have a lot of things to cook, but I don't. Everything I can cook, it takes. How about Luganda? Okay, these ones cannot speak Luganda. I can speak Luganda, but not.
Twaragiranye.
Not me. I can speak.
Dumba.
Luganda can you speak Frigi?
Yeah, she's from
I can speak this word. Nzenda ko katono. You know, I can
No. Flexi, musule bulungi.
Okay, can I teach you something, Frigi?
Yes.
Musule bulungi.
Vuga jango nzine.
I can't say it because I know the meaning of it. Jangu
What
nzine.
does it mean?
Yagala
Jangu
kuzina
nzine.
nange. Siyagala kuzina nawe. I know I know what you're saying.
No, it's free. Musule bulungi. I know Uganda. Musule bulungi.
What does it mean, Muslim?
Uranyeshiki.
Good night.
What?
Musule bulungi means good night.
Ibintu byose muzi bifite icyo bipfana n'amajoro.
Je suis malade hari ijoro ryari hari nui yaririmo. Nui, bonne nuit.
N'ubundi indwara zikara nijoro cyane.
Oh, okay. How about Kiswahili?
Zikara nijoro. Uzi ku manywa iyo urwaye wumva umeze nkaho.
Unajua kidogo?
Yes.
Dumba, unaribukanura. Dumba, unajua
nakijua ni
East Africa. English level of the I give her 10%.
Yeah, it's okay. At least I have some grades. I have some grades, not zero. Yeah.
How about grade fridges? Grade fridges.
Grade me it's 0.
The bin is 10%. How about fridge?
Okay. I don't have 0.
Me, I don't know.
Fridge only 15.
No food there.
There's no 0 there, bro. Don't give me 0, bro. Try to give me something. Don't make me cry. Where's your girlfriend? Fuck that. Girlfriend? No, I don't do girls.
Hey, someone grades me 50.
Oh, thank you.
Umba reka nkubwire. Nubona umuntu uzavuga uzamenye ko umuntu azi Icyongereza man.
8 to 10? That's good.
Nganjye mwamico njyewe mwampangara.
Some people give me 100 per 100, so I already get nothing. Yeah, they do.
Bari kukubeshyira.
Bari kumbeshyira se why?
Comment y'umwanzi mwafatiranye comment y'umuheta. Ura no umuheta wanjye nahise mbibona. Icyongereza mvuga njye barakizi. Hari ahantu nakotoye.
Ako Dumba aba Canada and we live in Rwanda. So we use English as the like the way we can use it, that's how we use it. We do mistakes as other people.
Yeah.
They do mistakes too. So why do you give us 10, 20, 30? Use English as the way we can use it.
Nubwo mvuga Ikinyarwanda cyane nibyo nkoramo amakosa menshi.
Ahubwo nibaze ko
Dumba n'umunyarwanda.
The guy is a Uganda, is a Nyagatare secondary school man, ni ikigo kirenze kijya abana bujuje gusa. Urukumva?
Yari n'umuhanga Dumba.
Yeah. Nah, bro, Flix is that. I'm not that, but I made mistakes sometimes.
Waruzi ko ni nivo zawe.
Nivo zanjye urazizi.
Wese usa nk'umuhanga.
Sheri yiza.
Kandi wambwiye nkakwereka diplome zanjye ukareba amanota ari. Utazananye ni bro.
Oya bera n'ugukopera n'ukubroka man. Nese ngiye sinavuga Icyongereza cyinshi n'ikiga sitashize.
Wagize ngahe diplome bayikopera gute?
Sheri narujuje my love. Narujuje.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Nanjye ubwo narujuje ko nta bimenyetso bihari buri wese yavuga ibyo ashaka.
Ariko umuntu w'umuhanga uramure.
Naki? Umuhanga?
Tabare yakuye
nimba hano hari umuntu twiganye atere comment.
Ariko njyewe reka nkubwire njyewe nta muntu twiganye aza ku mihanda nababwire ko uwo bamwita kibambe no mu ishuri my friends. Ikiza ntabwo nize ku kigo kimwe mu Rwanda. Kiza
umva hagira umuntu uzana muri comment twiganye nimba hari.
Ntabwo nize shimi shari ntabwo ari neza.
Abahetse
Regis urabona ari umuntu wize shimi. Ako se mwagiye mugora.
Ntabwo nize shimi rwose narayangaga n'imibare narayangaga mu gutara.
Nta muntu wo muri showbiz, nta muntu n'umwe wo muri showbiz arimo hano yize amasiyanse uretse Dumba gusa. Ubundi numvishe
Jewe ko nayize PCB.
Wize PCB ya hehe?
Nta n'amakuru wowe ufite.
Okay, reka mubaze ni
Olevo nize PCB.
Olevo.
Olevo?
Olevo ni ibiki? Na Olevo ni iki?
Nyine kuva mu wa mbere kugera mu wa gatatu.
Wize PCB like you choose section yo tugeze mu wa kane bro, don't lie here.
Oya, kwa kundi ucuzinga amasomo.
It's from
Elevo.
Ako uyu muntu ni umusazi. Elevo njye nahise bisomo nshaka gukurikira.
Ntabwo bagira section, that's Elevo.
Kandi bama amasomo ariyo bamaye kujya kwiga.
You don't know how to
ubwo wize mu mashuri akiriritse.
Okay, nazo.
Yani Elevo, not O-level. O-level is from senior one to
senior.
Olevo ntabwo bagira section.
They don't have section.
Muva primaire.
Wavuye muri primaire bagwa section sibyo?
Ahubwo ndi kubyitiranya na ni ritara riri kunsindisha.
Wewe turakubonye koko wize PCB.
Nese nize PCB ko nzi ko mu masomo nize birimo.
Deka wavuze ngo wize shimi sibyo?
Na physics na biology.
H2O bimenyesha iki?
Bimenyesha hydro.
H2O.
Then what is it? H2O, what is it? Even C2.
Ase nayo byemeye.
H2 kimenyesha iki?
Ngo water. Buretse.
Yeah, it is water.
None se ntago mvuze hydroxygen.
Yo.
Ase
ngira ngo
ndeba mubona
Abanyarwandakazi nizajya mbabwira ko umuntu wize muri showbiz ari njyewe ngenyine muzajye mwemera.
Ambani wawe sese wize ibiti ibyo dupisi buri kutukangisha.
Ndakubwiye ko H2O Bruce Melody ntazi byari byo.
Kandi aba bari kuvuga ngo H ngo 2O.
Yes.
Na H2O.
H2O.
Still the same? No.
H2O ndakubaje H2O bimenyesha iki
ni gutya
umva divine rero abana ukuntu babamenya ukuntu ngiye nshobora kubateza abantu ngiye nzabateza abantu mwese.
Oya wewe wari uri kuvuga X
nababwiye H2O bimenyesha iki?
Nese si water.
Zana ikindi simba ndazizi zana ikindi mubaza.
Felix abonye akabugira.
Oya ntago nize shimi ariko nayize mu gatatu kandi H2O everybody knows.
Nyine barabizi. Nazane oxygen.
Okay, O2 ni iki?
Kandi nabivuze.
O2 ni iki?
Wari oxygen.
Okay, SO4.
SO4.
Abantu bashimye hano
S4 iragoye. S4 iragoye ndabizi ntabwo yabikora.
Si carbon dioxide.
Oya ntabwo ibyo ndabizi ntabyo wabona. Okay, CO2. Okay, CO2 ni iki?
Carbon dioxide.
CO2 ni iki?
Carbon dioxide.
Sodium.
Okay, H2.
H2 yonyine.
Atariyo
O.
Oya H2 yonyine.
Hydrogen. Ndenze.
Nyine ndakugaruye nkugaruye mu buzima,
Sinzi ukuntu mba mbyibutse. Ako mfiteho nosiyo, mafite utunosiyo duke.
Umva njye nize hegi ariko mana ya
CA ni iki? CA. Oya CA.
CA.
carbon dioxide.
Oya nagari.
CA ni iki?
Uretse sodium. Calcium. Calcium.
Ndabyandikira urabibona.
Oya kandi narindi kureba ku ruhande ndi gutekereza ibyo ari byo.
Nize egg of course.
Mubaze ikindi. ZN.
ZN.
Niyo simba ya nyuma.
ZN. Nimba ari za ndi kukibuka hapo cyane ni.
Gozinki.
Zero Trump.
Nazanye icyenda ntabwo nazanye. Zero Trump. Cheri ntabwo nazanye icyenda uzabaze mwana. Zero Trump.
Zero Trump.
The Second World War. It was between German and France, right? France.
The
Second World War. How did you fight between France and Germany? Second World War.
Mwewe bari mu mahoro.
Nuko abantu bafightinga. Is it Germany or French? Is it French Revolution? I don't know. I don't remember.
Yasetse yapfuye.
Who won the Second World War?
Ese du, we mu kizami wasigaga igipapuro cyera.
Yari inde nanje kurwana.
Muri history turi gukora icya leta hari ahantu babaje ikibazo cy'ikiraho Rwanda nziza yose. Mutansubizaho Rwanda nziza. Iyi ndirimbo ndayandika ndayirangiza. Naka n'urundi rupapuro. Nyine hari ikibazo
gihugu cyacu.
Ndayirangiza mu rwego rwo kugira ntasiga urupapuro rwera.
I'm sure.
Oya. Ari examen y'iki?
Cya leta.
Birabeje.
None se njye nari gusiga ikibazo ntasubije.
And German.
Barabajije ikibazo ndakibura neza bari kubaza ibintu nkumva. Bankubiseho Rwanda nziza naka n'ikindi gikayi ndasubiza.
Ariko we ko hari ukuntu nireba nkabona n'ibari.
Aka nabo bogari.
Twize nge nawe.
Gose hari umugabo ndusha ububogarira.
Mbabwo arashaka ko tumukina nawe. Wewe urashaje. Reba amatuza yawe yaje nkanyari. Ituza ryaje nkanyari pe.
It's Germany. It's really Germany. That's what I guess. I don't know.
Jix hano bamunyomoje.
Ntago banyomoje. Banyomoje iki?
Sinzi ibintu bamubajije yaburanye.
Oya ntago ndi kuburana.
Nk'ubu kajijwe nagarya inkumi imwe nkahita nkaka umugore.
Doni wumva? Ari hashize umwanya atamuvuze.
Jojo vayo hano. Jojo wakibuze.
Do.
Kajojo nagakubita ingumi imwe nkakaka umugore ako kantu. ega Divine ibyo bintu bigishije uzi ko Divine njyewe inshinzi ndazikunda
Do.
ibyo wigize agashinzi ndabikunda
Oya reba ukuntu ifite yigira. Do. Ni rimwe. Gutya.
ariko Divine kamubwira inshinzi ya mbere utazi Pani baby
Inshinzi ko zirutanara.
Pani baby uzi ko kurusha ubushinzi
Nese hano turi muri competition y'inshinzi. Je ntabwo ndi inshinzi rero. Njye nditonda ndi umwana witonda.
ngomba twereke inkweto ufite mwana izo ni inkweto nambara ndi mu rugo urazibona ni inkweto nambara ndi mu rugo ndi muri katubwe kwa kundi uba uri mu rugo udashaka gukandagira hasi ni izi nkweto nambara ndashaka uzitegereze nurangiza uzishire muri gogo urebe amafaranga zigura
Dore nanjye nizi twambara. Zitegereze uzishyire muri Google.
inzoga tunywizi ni Henesi
Noneho bahita badukuraho.
iyo turimo turanywa ibitari byeri tunywizi iyo turimo turanywa byeri tunywa Heineken ese bro inkweto nakweretse izo nambara
Anze mbereke natwe
Nawe natwereke. Inkweto uza amadolari igura wowe. Noneho musizemo amata.
We don't drink beer. We drink Camino.
ubwo buboro bwitwa ngo Camino ni ububoro tudashobora kumenya n'ubwo ari bwo nk'ubu sinabumenya njyewe
Ari bimane tekira ninde sitayizi.
tekira ngo bita ngo
Tekira
Camino
shu. It's tequila. Ariko wayita Camino, whatever you want to say.
ngo tekira oya tekira ni izina rinini nk'uko wavuga u Rwanda wahinze ugahita uvuga prefegitura
Nanjye reka njye kuzana icyongo. Ndabona hano bikaze.
Ibaze yuko nge ntabwo
ikintu kimwe urabizi ko uri umugore wanjye ningere i Kigali cyane kikakuntanga ni akazi kawe
azajyane.
Yese ndashaka uwo musaza. Musaza wawe free humura pe.
Divine nakuntangaho Firigi ni akazi kawe
Nzamutanga n'ubundi. Aragiye.
ahita narakare ibyo bintu biramurakaza
Oya free nzagutanga nushaka uve kuri live nzagutanga. Shadu bwije mu gitondo mfite akazi.
twigendere
Twigendere. Umva TikTok